On the steps of the Court of Appeal, opponents of the province's secularism law say they're continuing their fight.
We struggled long and hard to get to the point where everybody was treated equally. And if we're allowed to pass laws that arbitrarily take away people's rights because we're not comfortable with the way people look, we're back in the 1930s.
Bill 21 bans some public servants from wearing religious symbols at work. The province has said a majority of Quebecers support the law, and it invoked the notwithstanding clause to shield it from charter challenges.
Our lawyers are relying on very creative and innovative legal arguments to invoke sections of the Constitution that are not affected by the notwithstanding clause.
A Quebec Superior Court ruling last year upheld most of the law, despite finding it has serious consequences on people who wear religious symbols. Danielle Barry is with a pro-secularism group that wants the law to go further and says defending it in court is about protecting values like religious neutrality. The law has had repercussions. A teacher in Chelsea, Quebec, was reassigned from her job because she wears a headscarf. Another teacher, Bushra Shelby, who is part of the appeal, kept her job due to a grandfather clause but can't get a promotion.
I was thinking about pursuing my studies and be a principal, but then with Bill 21, I had to stop thinking. I had to stop dreaming, basically.
The first day of appeal hearings focused on whether the government was justified in using the notwithstanding clause, the kinds of questions legal experts are grappling with.
The question is, what is the bar? Is this something that we are going to permit as a society? I think the court has to begin to answer some of those most difficult questions.
The federal justice minister has spoken out against the law and says he would intervene if it goes to the Supreme Court. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.